sit down for the purple nigga killer. Got the zombies in the back and they gon' ride like Thriller. Believe it is easy, I talk this shit cause it's greedy. I know these bitches, they know me, I'm only high cause they told me I be the hottest rapping nigga, turn your beat to baloney. I told you niggas you phony cause I be tired of you lame. And if you wanna know, I tell her, speak and tell her my name. I take this shit to the heart, they disrespecting the game. I gas it up from the start and I ain't switching no lane. I told Rock I'ma show off, so get the beat, I go off. Top notch nigga, roll a rello, ass blow off. 6L, die slow, watch a nigga no call. I can see the top of y'all niggas get took up. You see the way I do this, I get it, nigga, it's done. I'm all about a dollar, these bitches ain't getting one. Alright, they are. Might go back in on these niggas. Okay. See me in the streets, you gon' know me like Nino. Gotta keep the G, I get the money out the Nido. Tools on deck, get you ain't want the sequel. It's me and my niggas, not you and your peoples. Loyalty is everything, I call that bitch my wedding ring. I be on so trippy, I can smoke that shit like every day. Purple on the track and tell the booth that I be on the way. DOA, I'ma make the haters say this purple nigga dope shit. These niggas okay, why that nigga say that? Cause see the bitch I'm always